Hello. Today, we're going to talk about how teachers can use Khan Academy as a part of their curriculum through Google Classroom. First, you go to khanacademy.org. You can simply type it up in the URL bar, just like that, and you should come to this page. You want to go to Login. You may need to sign up. I'll click Sign Up. I already have an account, but I'll just take you through the page. They give you the option. You can sign up, obviously, as a learner, teacher, parent. If you are a teacher, you would want to sign up as a teacher, and obviously, if you were a parent, you would click on parent, and then fill in the needed information. I'm going to go back to login, though. And for teachers especially, you already have a school-issued Gmail account, so you will simply continue with Google. And this is actually my teacher account. And you don't see any of the names of my students here, so I feel safe in using this account to show you. So, once you log in, once you get your account set up, you will need to add classes. And the way for you to do that is to go to your teacher dashboard, which is what we're looking at here. And then you will see this little prompt here that says add new class. Simply click on that. There are a couple of ways to do this. One, you can enter your class name manually. And then it says this class name is what your students will see. That's one way to do it. Or you can do it the much easier way by simply importing a class from your Google Classroom. So for me, now this is, remember, you will have to have set up your Google Classroom already. I have, obviously. I'm going to click connect to a Google Classroom. So what it will do for me, it gives me this Dropbox option. I'm going to click, and I'm going to choose one of my lab classes. I'll choose this one, and I'm going to post next. Now here it'll say, have your students sign in to Khan Academy with Google. And then it even tells you we have emailed invitations to your students and gives you the information there. So when the student is invited by Khan Academy will provide that student with the necessary information. I'm actually going to do a separate video for students and parents on how to access your Khan Academy class and access the material that is posted there for you. Click Next, and then it gives you the option to add course material. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm a humanities person, so I'm going to pick something from the humanities section. I'm going to pick grammar. It gives you the option. This is especially pertinent for high school students. It gives you the option to add official SAT practice teacher tools. I'm not going to do that for now because this is a prop account. But this is an option for those of you who teach grades 9 through 12 to consider. I use it for my high school students, grades 10 through 12, because it's very important. I'm going to skip it for now, however. And then this just gives me extra information about what it can do, assigning them videos and assignments, practice drills, and so forth. I'm going to click out of that. And then I'm going to scroll down. And what we will see is there's my VCA classroom. It has no students yet, but that's only because my student has not joined yet. In the next video, you will see exactly what happens once a student has joined. And that's it. Thank you so much for your time. God bless.